Hey people, what's going on? It's your boy Richard here. Just making a quick video, just to show you that I have still been keeping an eye on NUI, which is Divi, the company we joined back in 2016, uh, and it really wasn't doing anything in 2017, but as you guys know that a lot of us join and have lifetime memberships with this company, so you can still keep an eye on it or whatever. And as you can see, like there's not much going on in this back office. It's a new back office, and that's because I haven't really been uh, really doing anything with it. But I did do one survey this month and got 120 points. And I just completed another one. So what you do is get to the surveys, is go to core. So and then you have to sign up if you haven't signed up for it yet. And then since I'm already signed in right now, you can see basically um, this is it right here. So I just did this survey. So basically to get 120 points. So basically, probably later on today, the 120 points will show up. So I officially earned basically 222 points for this month. So um, basically, you look at the points and see how you earn the points. So it says this is what you need to do to earn the points. Go on this website, click on the register. So after you register and go to your email, you'll actually confirm the registration with this website, this VIP voice or whatever, and then they'll ask you to take a survey. So the survey is not really that long. I just took the survey. I actually just took two surveys on the same website. So this is the website right here. It's showing the for me to activate or whatever. This was when I first did it. So I'm already logged in. You can see I'm logged in right here. Um, let's see if I go to accounts and right here. So it shows I did two surveys. I just did both of these surveys and I earned 175 points doing both of these surveys. So it wasn't really that hard. So but for NUI, you'll earn only that 102 points for doing this operation, which you probably could use these points on these websites for something else within the website. So you go to the reward center and you could, I guess you could just use it with these different ways or whatever. So yeah. So basically you can do that and go back to your main page. Let's see. So this surveys right here. So it's saying that I'm not complete with a whole bunch of stuff, and uh, I don't know what's with those points or whatever. But this is the core page. So I'm gonna go back to that main core page. So then you can just come here every day and just check on what they have to offer. So like right here, here's one, earn 54 core points on every survey. So, and the core points is basically the points you earn with NUI. So, I actually don't know how they pay out now. I don't know if they're giving gift cards or any of that mess. I'm still going back to start finding out what do they do have. Um, but that one expired, whatever that was. Let's see what else they have on here. That was 96 points for that. Sign up for Disney deals. I wouldn't get that anyway. Sees World Sports in Action. That's only 3 points, whatever that is. 105 less minutes. Let's see what this is. So basically, sign up for My Points Today button below. Complete the sign up form. You must enter a valid email address. I specifically made an email address for NUI, so everything goes to that address. Don't send this stuff to your normal email address. It'll just clog up your inbox. So it says check your email inbox for the email for mypoints.com. clarify email. The core points will deposit on your core account within 5 minutes. So basically, uh, it's the same as that other site I just got off of. So you go here, go on this site, and then earn some points or whatever. So it's 105 points. So it's actually pretty simple to earn points with NUI now. It's not that hard, but I just don't know what you get when you earn a point. So let's say um, if I could earn 105 points a day, that's about 30 days in a month. So you can earn over 1,000 points a month and do it. I think the average, I'll just say average a person could probably earn is like say 1,500 points a month doing this. I probably have to go back and start looking and see exactly what we get now by earning these points because I would like to know for myself. Um, So right here it says additional links, retail rewards, and right now with Core I have 345 points. Who's the top earners? Let's see. So you got these people. They're not even. It's not a lot of people. Not even. Is this points for today? Oh, for the week. So that's how much points people have made this week. On Sunday, check frequently discovered. Okay, so basically, this person has done probably like a bunch of surveys or whatever like that. So I may try to, because this is nothing. This person right here earning 238 points in a week or whatever. Look at that. And they're just watching videos. Look at that. Well, I don't know if they're watching all videos, but they're only earning like not even a full point watching videos. I don't know if they're just that's all they're doing. Let me see. What is he doing for points? He did retail purchase, $250. Another retail purchase. You can earn points by doing retail purchases. And I think this is a video somebody was watching. I don't know exactly what he was doing. Let's see. This person, I don't know what that is. General customer survey. He earned 90 points off a survey. Um, whatever he did with that, I don't know what that is. He just did one thing and earned points. This person is watching videos and such like that. I think he's taking others on Alpha Toro, that one site I have to sign up for. Let's see what the top earner is doing. He's doing, see, look at that. He did something with an iPad or something like that. Level 10. What is that? I don't know what that is, but he earned a lot of points by doing some craziness. So we'll see what we could do. I'm catching up with some of these people. Um, and yeah, I think I could get past these two people at the bottom. So I'm gonna try to do that this week, and let's see if I can make the leadership board. That'd be pretty cool, just to try to make the leadership board on here, just to beat some of these suckers. And then I'll figure out or whatever how you earn with these points. Now look at this, 54 core points every survey. Let's see, what is this? So let's see, earn media points direct to account create form. Yeah, so I have to do that when I'm not recording. But yeah, I'm gonna start probably doing like 2 or 3 of these a day because it's like some days I have nothing to do. I'm just looking at trading stuff and stuff like that, and pretty much doing that. I'm not really doing a lot of team building um, yet or whatever. I'll be taking money out of Future Ad Pro soon, so I'll be doing $125 a week out of that. So now I want to try to see what I could do to actually make money with NUI. Even if I only make like maybe $75 a month with NUI. I just want to see how I could do that. So but anyway, thanks for watching my video. And as always, let's always keep making money. Peace.